Hello and namaskar. This is Rupali Parandikar from Satej Infotech. Today I'm going to show you how you can give access to someone of your Facebook page. So at times you would want an admin to manage your social media account, reply to any questions there, any comments there, and post on your behalf, even maybe do meta ads as well. Okay, so just going to show you how to do that. It takes less than a minute. Okay, so this is my personal profile. So similarly you'll have your own personal profile. When you click on your photo, okay, you need to switch into the account, the page you want to give access for. So this is my page. Okay, so this is my page over here. Now on the left hand side, the first option is the professional dashboard. Click on professional dashboard. Now come on the right side of things. Okay, so under page tools, can you see page access? So from here you can invite people to manage your page. Okay, so I'm going to go to page access. Okay, now I want to select the first option, people with Facebook access, as I want to give them complete access of my Facebook page, so they can respond to comments, they can do advertising for me, they can post on my behalf and everything else. So I'm going to just add new and just going to say next. Okay, so I'm going to search the person by their name. Okay, most probably their ID when they on their Facebook profile. Okay, now over here I want to give them full control. Okay, so they will have all the control you will have as an owner of the page. Okay, so I'm going to give them all control. Only give this when you're completely sure that the person is reliable and or if it's an agency. Okay, so you can do that. Now give access, put the password in. So this will be your password which you put in, and then just confirm. Okay, so can you see an invitation has been sent to Satej Parandikar to accept the admin role. So the invitation expires in 31 days. Now where will this invitation come? It will come in the notification section, and they will have to review the invitation and accept the invite to become an admin to your page. Okay, so once they have accepted the invite, they can actually see the page just in all profiles. Okay, so the page will be just added like these pages have been added. So the page will be added there and they can start with their work. So I hope this was helpful. So this is the latest update from Facebook in 2026. So things have changed slightly from last year. So I've shown you how to give access now as per the new layout of Facebook. So thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe for more interesting things on Meta. Thanks.